Mrs. Ishams here. I hope you guys are having a good week so far and that you are learning lots about plants this week. For our comprehension test at the end of the week, you will have to know 2 stories. So from seed to plant, and this story called Super Soil. I'm going to read it to you guys, and that way you can have a chance of just knowing what to expect on the test, so you can compare and contrast the 2 stories. All right, let's talk real quick. Genre. Everyone say genre. Genre. Okay, what's a genre? Genre is the type of story. And the genre for today's reading is an informational text. Informational texts give facts about a topic. This is a science text. So facts can be proven. I hope you made that motion with me. Facts can be proven. So this is giving us true things about our topic. Now, and our text focus is a chart. A chart is a drawing that lists information in a clear way. Awesome. So we'll have a chart in this reading today too. Our title of the story is called Super Soil. All right. Let's see if maybe it will read it to us.
Lesson 25. Informational text. Genre. Informational text gives facts about a topic. This is a science text. Text focus. A chart is a drawing that lists information in a clear way. Super soil.
Okay.
Soil contains many things. When insects, leaves, and twigs die and break down in the soil, they become humus. Tiny bits of broken rock are also found in soil. Soil holds water and air too. The amount of humus, rock, air, and water in soil differs from place to place.
Okay.
If someone promised to give you good soil for growing crops, what kind of soil would you be fortunate enough to get? Soil with lots of humus is best for growing crops. All plants need water. They take water in through roots that grow underneath the ground. They need just the right amount of water for sprouting new growth. Too little water is harmful to plants and may cause drooping leaves. Corn is an important crop in the United States. To grow, it needs soil with lots of humus.
All right. Anyone know what this set of words are, these sentences? What we would call that? It belongs to the picture. Yeah, you're right. It's called a caption. A caption tells a little bit more about what is going on in the picture. So here we can see some corn, and it's telling us corn is an important crop, and it needs specific soil, so humus, in its soils for it to grow. Right.
Deserts are places that get little rain. There is not much humus in desert soil either. Most desert plants have shallow roots. The roots spread out just below the ground to catch rainwater. Cactus plants store water in their stems. A creosote bush has waxy leaves that do not lose water in the hot sun. These plants grow well in dry desert soil. Many cactus plants have beautiful flowers. After the flowers have blossomed, they produce many tiny seeds. Kinds of soil.
So here's our chart.
Topsoil has a lot of humus, is dark in color, is best for plant growth. Clay soil is made of tiny clay pieces, is sticky when wet, is brown, red, or yellow. Sandy soil has a lot of weathered rock, feels gritty, is tan or light brown.
Okay. Let's see what's on this next page. Maybe. All right, let's compare the text. Tell me, what is From Seed to Plant about? Let's think about it. From seed to plant, it's telling us the life cycle of a plant, right? How it starts from seed and how it grows all the way up to an actual plant. And then Super Soils is talking about soil. Now, let's compare them. How are they the same? Are they the same because they are all about plants? Yeah. They're different is seed to plant. Maybe they are talking about the life cycle, and Super Soils is mainly about soils, the different types of soils. Now let's talk about gardens. What fruits and vegetables did you see in the pictures from Seed to Plant? What would you like to plant if you had your own garden? Talk about that with your mom or your dad or your dog, whoever's home with you today. What plants would you like to grow in your own garden? Mrs. Isham is starting to grow her garden, and I have planted tomatoes and cilantro, jalapenos. I can make salsa. I also did some peas and cucumbers and pumpkins and some lavenders. I have to have some pretty lavender so I can attract the bees. Now, maybe you can comment below to tell us hey, that's what I want you to do. Comment below and tell me what plants you would like to grow in your own garden. All right, make sure you listen to the story a couple times before you take your comprehension test. I hope you guys have a great day, and I hope to see you all soon. Okay, bye.